Millions of people around the world use the Crypto.com app to buy, sell, and spend crypto every day, but fewer people know about the blockchain sitting behind a large part of that ecosystem. That blockchain is Cronos. Let us break down what Cronos is, how it works, and why it matters. Cronos is a blockchain platform built to support fast, low-cost transactions and decentralized applications, with close ties to the Crypto.com exchange and its broader ecosystem of products. It was launched in 2021 as part of an effort to give the Crypto.com ecosystem its own dedicated blockchain infrastructure, rather than relying entirely on other existing networks. Cronos is built to be compatible with Ethereum's coding standards, which means developers who already build applications on Ethereum can bring their projects over to Cronos with minimal changes, giving the network access to a large existing pool of tools, developers, and decentralized applications. Cronos operates using a proof-of-authority style consensus system, meaning transactions are validated by a set of approved validators responsible for confirming activity and producing new blocks. This approach allows Cronos to process transactions quickly and at a low cost compared to some larger, more congested networks. Because Cronos is compatible with Ethereum standards, it can support the same types of smart contracts and decentralized applications found across the broader Ethereum ecosystem, including decentralized exchanges, lending platforms, and non-fungible token marketplaces, while offering faster speeds and lower fees for users interacting with those applications. Cronos is closely tied to Crypto.com, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges and consumer crypto platforms in the world. While Cronos operates as its own independent blockchain, it benefits significantly from this relationship since Crypto.com's large user base provides a built-in audience for applications and services built on the Cronos network. This connection has helped Cronos grow its ecosystem relatively quickly, since new projects launching on Cronos can potentially reach users already familiar with the broader Crypto.com brand, rather than needing to build an audience entirely from scratch. In addition to its original network, Cronos has expanded to include a newer chain called Cronos zkEVM. This version of the network uses zero-knowledge technology, a cryptographic method that allows large batches of transactions to be verified together using a single mathematical proof, rather than checking every transaction individually. CRO is the native token of the Cronos ecosystem, and it serves several important functions. It is used to pay for transaction fees on the network, similar to how other blockchains use their native tokens for gas fees. It can also be staked, where holders lock up their CRO to help secure the network and earn rewards in return. CRO also plays a role within the broader Crypto.com platform itself, where it has historically been used for things like earning enhanced rewards, card benefits, and other perks tied to the exchange's product ecosystem, in addition to its role directly on the Cronos blockchain. Over time, a portion of CRO tokens has also been removed from circulation through token burns, a process where tokens are permanently taken out of supply, which is intended to make the remaining tokens more scarce over time. Cronos represents an example of a major consumer-facing crypto platform building its own dedicated blockchain infrastructure, rather than relying solely on outside networks. This gives Crypto.com more direct control over transaction speed, cost, and the overall user experience for services built on top of it. For everyday users, this often means faster and cheaper access to decentralized applications, especially for those who are already engaged with the broader Crypto.com ecosystem and its large existing user base. As with any crypto project, Cronos carries real risks. Its proof-of-authority style consensus model relies on a limited set of approved validators, which some critics argue introduces more centralization compared to networks with a much larger, more distributed validator set. Cronos's growth is also closely tied to the success and reputation of Crypto.com itself, meaning developments at the exchange level can directly impact the network. And like any crypto asset, CRO is subject to significant price volatility tied to broader market conditions. Cronos shows how a major consumer crypto platform can build its own blockchain to support a growing ecosystem of applications, while still tapping into the broader tools and developer base that come with Ethereum compatibility. With its connection to Crypto.com's large user base and its ongoing expansion into newer technology like zero-knowledge rollups, Cronos continues to position itself as a key piece of infrastructure within one of crypto's most widely used consumer platforms. This is not financial advice, just financial education. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next breakdown. See you in the next video.